If you're looking for a smartwatch that can keep up with everything from your early day at work to late night evening walks and even bike rides on the weekend, I think I got the perfect smartwatch for you. Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. This is Santi with the Tech Utopia team, and today I'm here to talk to you about the KOSPET Tank T4. The KOSPET Tank T4 is built so it can handle everything that your day throws at it. It's stylish, it's small, it's compact, and it's smart enough so it can make your day a lot smoother. Now, inside of the box, you're gonna find the Tank T4 smartwatch and a magnetic charger and a black silicone strap that is soft, flexible, and it feels great for all-day wear. The KOSPET includes a power pocket that lets you recharge on the go, which is very convenient for somebody that travels or if you forget your charger. The watch itself looks premium, it's stainless steel with the body Gorilla Glass 3 that it feels solid, well built, and it doesn't feel bulky. The black on black finish that gives it that clean, modern, and it fits well whether you're going to the gym, at your desk, or heading out for dinner. And the great thing is that you can download different faces to fit your style of the night with just the app. Now, I've been wearing the Tank T4 for about a week ever since I got it, and I use it almost everywhere. I use it at work, I use it going on bike rides, and even on late night evenings walks with my girlfriend, and even chilling at home when I'm just relaxing, doing some work. I can just use it and it tracks everything. It's very seamless. You get used to it and you forget that it's actually there. The AMO LED display really pops. It's bright, it's crisp, and it's easy to see outdoors, even under the hot Florida sun. And since it's 10 ATM waterproof, I don't even think twice about washing my hands, getting caught in the rain, or jump into the pool. Now, throughout the day, it tracks everything. All of your steps, your calories that you're burning, your heart rate, and even your sleep if you wear your watches during your sleep. I don't, but people do. So if you love to see how long you slept and how well you slept, you can wear it throughout the night and it's gonna tell you everything in the morning when you wake up. The notifications and Bluetooth call feature are honestly one of my favorite parts because I can take quick calls from my wrist even when my phone is all the way across the room. It also gives you gentle reminders to move after long periods of time that you're being sitting, which is actually great, and it helps you when you're working from home or even at the office all day. Now, when it comes to the battery life in any product, I think that's one of the major key points when it comes to somebody making a decision if you're gonna get a product or not. The battery life in the KOSPET Tank T4 is absolutely brilliant. It's excellent. Ever since I got it for about a week, I've been wearing it and I did not charge it out of the box. And right here, it's still going on and I still got 35%. I'm just saying, that just says it all. I got it a week ago. I never charged it and it's been ever since factory. So battery life on the KOSPET Tank T4, excellent. For workouts, the T4 has over 180 sports modes, so whether you're biking, you're jogging, or doing quick home workouts, it tracks it all accurately. I use it mostly for cycling or evening walks, and thanks to the dual band GPS, I can see the route, the distance, and the pace in real time, even without my phone. Another great feature is the offline map, and you can download it, but it must be completed using a web browser on your computer, and then download the maps and then add them to your watch. Now, everything syncs into the Apex Move app, and you can track everything later, all of the stats and all of the data, so you can keep track of the progress over time. It also monitors your heart rate, your blood oxygen, the stress levels, and the sleep quality throughout the day, and the data feels accurate and is easy to understand and not overwhelming. And what's cool is the emotion tracking feature, which it gives you a subtle insights into how your stress or your activity might affect your mood over time. Now, this watch is not just for athletes, in case if you got that idea. This watch is genuinely for anybody that's trying to stay a little bit more balanced. Now, even though it is designed for tough conditions, it doesn't feel heavy or oversized. And the Tank T4 has passed over 20 military grade tests, so it's shock resistant, it's dust proof, and it handles heat and humidity with no problem. It is great for a place like where I live in Florida. It's one of those watches that you just wear and forget about until you realize how much it's tracking and helping you stay consistent. So at the end of the day, I think the KOSPET Tank T4 isn't just your average smartwatch, but it's your companion that is keeping up and tracking your health and your workouts, and it looks great doing it. And you have that peace of mind knowing that is a watch that it was built so it can last a long time. So if you're someone that's looking for a smartwatch that can fit your lifestyle, whether that's working out, going on adventures, or even your daily task, I honestly think that the KOSPET Tank T4 is one of the most well-rounded options on the market right now. It's durable, stylish, reliable, and I think those are three main key factors when purchasing a great product. So that's it for me. Check out the KOSPET Tank T4 and see what it has to offer and how it can adapt to your lifestyle. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.